everyone, and welcome to another episode of Stamp Time with Miss Jane. Today's card's going to be featuring the Blessings of Home stamp set, the coordinating Flowers of Home dies, and the Butterflies and Flowers layering decorative masks. And I'm using the Vine one today because I haven't used that one before. So straight into it, I'm going to grab a piece of soft succulent and just going to add some tape to the back of that and stick it down and put my layering decorative mask over the top and add a little bit of, got some retired washi tape there and a piece at the bottom. Coming in with my blending brush and my soft succulent stamp pad. Okie dokie. So I'll grab, whoa, that's a hell of a lot of ink. Let's tap some of that ink off, Miss Jane. Okie dokie. Whoa, now there you go. She moves on herself. Let's hold this one down. We're going to have to be a little bit gentler than normal with this one. Let's have a look. It's not too bad. I can see a little bit of movement here. But it's not too bad. All in all, we can get rid of that bit of tape that we had on the back of that. Get rid of the masking tape. And that's going to be part of the base of this card. Now, we're going to stamp this floral image here just onto some basic white cardstock with Memento Black. With an image here. I'm going to step that sideways. Fabulous. Da, 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 da. Okay. Now, I'm going to colour this one in with my blends. I do have the soft succulent in dark and light. So that's my coloured in flower. I left a little bit of white space just in there. I thought for a bit of a change. Then we're going to come in with our Flowers of Home dies and die cut around here. Bring them a mini. And line up the image. It hasn't moved. Okay. So I now have my floral image. I've also gone ahead and die cut this little golden leaf from the Flowers of Home dies, and that is from the gold and rose gold metallic specialty paper. So we need to do a sentiment. So bring in a piece of pale papaya and the Memento Black. Ink up that. And we want to try and get this in the middle. Have a perfect... Okay, that was a bit inky on one side. We'll turn her over and start again. Give it a bit of a wipe. Bit more gentle, Miss Jane, on the ink, and have a perfect birthday. That one's a bit better. Now we can go ahead and build the card. I have an A4 cut long ways sheet of soft succulent, and that's our card base. I have the piece that we've blended, so that can get glued onto the base. The glue doesn't seem to be coming out very fast. It's probably time for a new one, Miss Jane. Okay. I've gone ahead and cut a rectangle from the rectangle stitch framelits, and that's going to cover up that piece there that we don't want to see. I know what I also want to do before I add that too. I've got some Simply Elegant gold trim, and I do want to come around with a bow. Actually, because this is so movie bendy, I may attach a little bit of tear and tape on the back of that. Try and get it to tame it down. Now, has I left myself enough room because it's on the opposite side? I may just get a bow out of this. Ho, ho, ho. Tie it up. Okay. Okay, coming in with the scissors, we'll chop that little bit of that off there and a little bit off there. And we will also grab a glue dot and, oh, I got one on my finger. I stuck to my finger. Okay, and pop that in behind that bow because it likes to move about. That bow does. Okay, now I might pop that piece up on dimensionals. One, two. Okay, popping that down. And I have this, and I've got my little gold piece to pop in behind there, so I'll grab a glue dot again. Pop. So have that coming in from behind this piece. Okay. Now, and some minis. So I might want 2 minis on the back, on that edge. Don't think the glue's going to work just there. We'll try one. Happy perfect birthday. Birthday. And then I think I would like to use some of these new last year's in colours with the opal rounds. They are very pretty. And that just finishes that off. That's a little bit pretty. Oh, they're very pretty little opal rounds. And there you have a Blessings of Home Have a Perfect Birthday card. A little bit of gold, a little bit of bling, a little bit of colouring, a little bit of blending. Fun to make. So I hope you enjoyed this card today, and until next time, keep smiling, keep stamping. Bye.